Good morning, children. Today we are going to study ICSE Mathematics 1. Today classwork chapter 8 Measurement, pages 122 123. So open the page 122. Today our topic is time. A day is divided into 4 parts. Okay, day, 4 parts, four important parts: morning, evening, noon, night. So morning, the time when the sun rises; evening, the time when the sun sets; noon, the time when the sun is directly over our head; night, the time between evening and morning; afternoon, the time between noon and evening. It's afternoon time. Okay. Next, during a day, various events occur. These events can be of short duration or long duration. So, examples: sleeping in the night is of long duration. Eating a meal is of short duration. So children, let's look at various events and Ananya comes across in a day. Okay. First picture, Ananya picture. See, waking up in the morning. Okay. Getting ready for school, having breakfast, reaching school, attending morning assembly, studying, coming back home, having lunch, studying, again studying, playing, watching cartoons, again studying, having dinner, and at last sleeping. So children, at last see the picture, sleeping. Categories these events under short duration and long duration. So just I tell you children, short duration events you write: getting ready for school, having breakfast, having lunch, playing, watching cartoons, having dinner. Okay, short duration events. Now long duration events: waking up in the morning, reaching school, attending morning assembly, studying, coming back home, studying, sleeping. Long duration events. Now last question, number 10 question. Do is children, number 10 question, do as instructed instructed, do as instructed. A. Write any two activities that you do in the morning. Write here having breakfast, study. Again I repeat, answer A, having breakfast, studying. Okay. Next B, write any two activities which take you longest duration to perform. Right children, studying, sleeping in the night. Okay. Again repeat, B, answer, studying, sleeping in the night. C, write any two activities that you do in the night. Write here watching, studying cartoons. Two activities I tell you: studying, watching cartoons, having dinner. So 3 activities. So you write your choice. Write here watching cartoons, studying. Okay. Next, write any two activities which take you shortest duration to perform. First one you write playing. Second box you write here watching cartoons. Okay. Now children, take out your school diary, write your homework, chapter 8, pages 100 to 123. So children, first time, daytime, morning, evening, noon, night, afternoon also. Spelling is very important. Practice first. And activities, having breakfast, studying, sleeping in the night, watching cartoon, playing. Okay, practice is very important. So I hope everyone understood.